Good morning, students. Today I am teach you lesson first, class 7 science. And the topic is condition required for photosynthesis. What are the conditions required for photosynthesis? In the previous class, I am discussed about the photosynthesis and two kinds of modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic modes of nutrition. Now today we are discuss about the required condition for photosynthesis. There are four conditions with plants required for photosynthesis. They are carbon dioxide, first one, carbon dioxide. Second one, water and minerals. Water and minerals. Third one, chlorophyll. And fourth one is sunlight. One by one, we are discussed about these points: carbon dioxide, water and minerals, chlorophyll and sunlight. What are the roles of these elements in the photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Students, we are know that carbon dioxide is very essential for synthesis. The food, when the process is begin on to prepare their food, is known as photosynthesis. From where the carbon dioxide is come? Animals and we release the gas which name is carbon dioxide. They are absorbed by the plants or trees with the help of leaves. In the leaves, a teeny pores are present underside of the leaves called stomata, and stomata help us to breathe carbon dioxide and release oxygen. And one important thing is, these stomata are surrounded by the cell called guard cell. So we know that carbon dioxide is very essential. If carbon dioxide is not taken by the plants, then plant will not make the food, and directly or indirectly, we and all living organisms are depends on the plants for our survival. Second one is water and minerals. Water and minerals are present in the soil. Plant absorb these water and minerals for prepare their food. How plant absorb these water and minerals? With the help of their roots. Root absorb the water and minerals from the soil and sand with the help of tube which is present in the trunk of the tree or plant is called xylem. And these minerals and these water and minerals are riches to every part of the plant to help and make their food. Now, third point, student, is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, what is chlorophyll? We know that a green pigment which is present on the leaves are known as chlorophyll or called chlorophyll. What is the role of chlorophyll in the photosynthesis? chlorophyll, the green pigment is present on the leaf, which helps to trap the sunlight. More and more energy taken by these chlorophyll and synthesis their food and help them to prepare their food. Sunlight. Sunlight is one of the most important sources of light or energy for all living organisms. Sunlight reaches to the leaves and the chlorophyll helps them to trap the more and more amount of sunlight, and these energy is transferred into chemical energy and prepare the food for the plants. And we can say that it is very useful for us because we are also dependent on plants and animals. Now we are discussed about the various leaves of color. Leaves of various colors. Students, you can see most of the leaves color is green. They contain chlorophyll, the green pigment, which is present on the leaf is called chloroplast. But you are seeing some other color also beside leaves, beside green. Some are red, violet, brown. The question arises that they can't make their food if they are not green? No. Students, they also make their food, and the chlorophyll is also present on this color also. But the colors of red, dark, etc. hide the chlorophyll or chloroplast, but they have chlorophyll and make their food and stay alive. Now, photosynthesis in algae. You see algae in your well, pond near, they are green in color. That means they have chlorophyll, they trap the sunlight and make their own food and stay alive. You see lots of algae in your, wherever the more amount of water is stored, like in your ponds near, in your well near, or sometimes when it is heavy rain, then you see in your courtyard, etc. Okay? After that, we have discussed about what is the importance of photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis. Basically, there are the two main important points. They are, first one is they prepare food. They prepare food. All we know that they are autotrophic mode of nutrition, that means plants make their own food. And if the photosynthesis does not take place, that is, if the plant cannot prepare their own food, then directly or indirectly most of the organism are depend on plants and animals for their plants for their food, directly or indirectly. Second one is they produce oxygen. They produce oxygen. When the leaves of plant take the carbon dioxide, absorb the carbon dioxide and make their food, in the process of making food, the most important gas is released by the teeny opening of the stomata is oxygen, which is very useful for us and all living beings who are living on this earth. So, student, now it is the time for giving assignment, and I am giving assignment and you do at home. Thank you.